Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan dashi. We'll start by exploring the two fundamental ingredients, kombu, a dried kelp, and dried shiitake mushrooms. These plant-based powerhouses are essential for creating a rich, savory umami base. Understanding their unique contributions and how to properly prepare them is key to unlocking the full depth of flavor in your dashi. We will also discuss the importance of water quality and temperature control for the best results. To make kombu dashi, begin by gently wiping any white residue from a 20-gram piece of kombu with a damp cloth. Avoid washing it. Then, soak the kombu in 1 liter of soft water for about 30 minutes. Slowly heat this mixture, ensuring the temperature does not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. Just before it reaches a boil, remove the kombu. This careful process extracts maximum umami without introducing any bitter notes. For a deeply flavorful shiitake dashi, take about 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms and soak them in 500 milliliters of water. The best method is a cold brew. Place them in the refrigerator overnight, allowing them to infuse for 8 to 10 hours. This slow extraction process yields a wonderfully aromatic and rich dashi. Once steeped, the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms can also be sliced and used in other dishes. For the most complex and balanced vegan dashi, combine your prepared kombu and shiitake broths. This blend offers a harmonious depth of umami. Fresh dashi can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer preservation, consider freezing it in ice cube trays. These convenient portions are perfect for adding to various dishes. Use your homemade dashi as a versatile base for soups, stews, and sauces.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.